Guys, today we'll be talking about RANKL, and osteoprotegrin and how they work in terms of bone metabolism. So, as we know, bone is a very dynamic structure. It undergoes constant remodeling where bone is resorbed and constantly deposited over and over and over again. So, the mechanism which is responsible for this is the RANK mechanism. So, what is RANK? RANK, for a full form, is a receptor activator of nuclear factor kappa beta. Mouthful, but you don't really need to remember. Just remember rank. So, what is rank? Rank is basically a receptor which is located on the osteoclastic precursors or mature osteoclasts. So, what are osteoclastic precursors? We know that hematopoietic stem cells produce different types like myeloid lineage, and there's the other lymphoid lineage. Under myeloid lineage, it produces monocytes, and under the monocyte category comes osteoclasts. Because monocytes form macrophages, and osteoclast is nothing but a macrophage. So these osteoclastic precursors are mononuclear cells. So what are and osteoclasts, as we know, are multinucleated giant cells. So when something called rank ligand, binds to the receptor called rank, which is present on osteoclastic precursors, many osteoclastic precursors combine and form an osteoclast. Okay, so rank is nothing but a receptor present on osteoclastic precursors and even on mature osteoclasts. Going to the next point. We know, so just an important thing to remember, rank is present not only on osteoclasts and its precursors, it's also present in mammary epithelial cells, which help with lactation. It's present in breast cancer, prostate cancer, and osteosarcoma cells, where it causes proliferation, and also on dendritic cells, where it helps with adaptive immunity. Just something interesting to know. RANKL, receptor activator of nuclear factor kappa beta ligand. So these rank receptors present on osteoclastic precursors and osteoclasts. Rank ligand is produced by osteoblasts, and they play an important role in osteoclast maturation and survival. So how? As you know, mesenchymal stem cells, which are different from hematopoietic stem cells. Mesenchymal stem cells produce osteoblasts. They can also produce myoblasts, fibroblasts, and adipoblasts. Those are different types of cells. So they can produce all types of cells. So osteoblasts have something called rank L on them. So rank is present on osteoclasts. Rank L is present on osteoblasts. So what this rank L will go and do is go and bind to rank, which is present on osteoclasts, and differentiate and help the osteoclastic precursors to mature into osteoclasts. And as you can see, there's another molecule called OPG or osteoprotegrin. And these are also produced by osteoblasts in stages of life where there's excess bone resorption. So if bone resorption is happening too quickly, osteoblasts are like, hold on, let me produce some osteoprotegrin. And osteoprotegrin, what it does is binds to rank L and prevents it from binding to rank. So if rank L does not bind to rank, osteoclasts cannot form, osteoclastic precursors cannot form mature osteoclasts, and hence there will be no bone resorption. Okay. So osteoprotegrin is produced by osteoblasts, potent inhibitor of osteoclastic differentiation, and function as a decoy receptor for RANKL. What they mean by that is they act as a decoy, in the sense they trick rank L into thinking they are rank and they bind to it. So in addition to osteoblasts, other cells also produce osteoprotegrin, such as heart, liver, spleen, and kidney. And osteoprotegrin is protective against bone loss. So we look at this all now in terms of a cycle. As you can see, osteoblasts have rank L. And when rank L binds to an osteoclastic precursor, it becomes a mature osteoclast and causes bone resorption. Whereas if the osteoclast precursor does not get rank L, if OPG is already bound to rank L and prevents it from binding to the rank receptor, osteoclast maturation and proliferation is inhibited and there is no and there is bone formation and not resorption. So the opposite happens. So osteoprotegrin is basically an anabolic. For example, let us look at this with a lovely example. Exercise. Exercise, as we know through many studies, has been shown to increase bone density and improve muscle mass, or even the retention of muscle mass. So exercise increases OPG, or osteoprotegrin. And now what does that do? It prevents RANKL from binding to RANK, and so it prevents osteoclast formation and decreases bone resorption. Okay, so also exercise also decreases RANKL. So again, osteoclastic production is reduced and leads to reduced bone resorption. So this is basically the RANKL, and the osteoprotegrin pathway summarized and how it works. Thank you.